don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. To all my fans on the TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Pyramids 1. I'm joined by Koke.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga Siwo for the opportunity, man, guys.
Thank you, my brother.
Ngicela ngifollowing bafethu Koke 46079 ku TikTok bafethu. Yeah. Ningilaleleni lapha Koke. Yeah, bafethu basingene negamini bafethu. Ya namhlanje bafethu game namhlanje was very tactical bafethu. Igame namhlanje it was two people that are very smart and intelligent, and they use their intelligence to their maximum. You look at the game, we all know Pyramids is not a defensive team, but look at the scoreline, which is end up with 1-1 because Pyramids no coach Hlakanipile and Mamelodi Sundowns so coach Hlakanipile. There was a moment of genius akayenzi coach Cardoso by bringing in Adams. You saw a game ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns was losing the battle in the middle of the park. Umfana Matthews he could not handle it because Matthews he's not that midfielder umuntu like a winger, sort of a winger very much up front, abo number 10 kanje yabona. So you needed someone ozobhekila noThore lapha phakathi. He brought in Adams brought in the competition lapha phakathi against uThore, and the game started looking a little bit even. You know, there's a moment of genius and then there's a moment of disappointment. The moment of disappointment when you bring in Uneo Mayema. No, now the genius moment and the moment of disappointment, there's a slight thin line in between, because if Uneo Mayema like game impacted positively, everyone was going to be praising Uneo Mayema at this moment. So because Uneo Mayema kazange approaches it the way coach Megafuna ngakhona, because I think the instructions zaka Uneo Mayema, it was boy come in the game, try to control the game, make sure ukuthi Sundowns ball rotation fluent, and Mamelodi Sundowns I lose amabhola amaningi, but when Uneo Makangena the game was too high tempo. It was too high, and the we know Uneo Mayema has not been playing a lot of games, so for him to catch up with the tempo it was too high for him. So wagcina atround, you know, there was even an instant where Uneo Mayema uModibu umnikeza ibhola uqeda ukwina ibhola umnikeza ibhola, but he was switched off. Azange akwazi ukread the moment, and then ama opponent athatha la bhola recycle badlala ibhola. So it just goes to tell you ukuthi the moment of genius and the moment yokuthi ufambule gaming, it's a thin line in between ukuthi ungaletha umuntu. I mean, previously we've seen in the season ukuthi bebekwazi ukuletha umuntu ofana no Atasales egaming. That was the moment of genius. Mangena no Atasales akora ama goal, that's genius. But unongena sometimes Atasales angakora ama goal, so abanye abantu bamjudge because so even nakuneo Mayema it's the same situation. If mega performile umchita, it was kudos because we saw ama game previously ukuthi perform kanjani Uneo Mayema, and everyone was clapping hands for him. So unlike mfethu Uneo Mayema, next time uzozama mfethu qinitolo ube indoda mfethu, and then we move forward bafethu. Bangibuzile bafethu on a show, the African football show, ukuthi is Fistos Mayela a danger. Ngathi mina is not a threat. He's not a threat. But Ganjan is not a threat. Actually, the only threat with Pyramids are the two people, left back and the right back. Those are the people that are a threat with Pyramids, because he will supply Fistos Mayela ngamabola into the box. You right back also apply also fagi bola boxing, and then left back finish. Vice versa, left back fagi bola boxing, and then the right back finish. Those are the threats. And another threat will team Lena Uthora in the middle of the park. I was impressed when Coach Adams kwenzakale something that I talked about the Diamond, whereby they took Uthore bamfaka e center, uMokwena, uAlendi, uAdams, uRibeiro, uphakathi kwe-Diamond, so they can boss the middle. You understand? So it was a genius moment for Coach Makayenza kanjalo. So bafethu coach masimthembe. Last time I said this thing, we win 0-0 against Al Ahly first league, saya ku second league bafethu, and namanje bafethu asiqinile amadolo bafethu. Into emnandi it's the first league. First league you learn. I want to take you down ama game adlulile. Remember, we lost against Kaizer Chiefs, we Nedbank. we'll learn from that ukuthi there's a mistake esizenzayo emuva defensively. We lost against the Pirates because there were mistakes esizenzayo emuva. We came and rectify. That is why you saw ama game Champions League esiwadlalile after sishawe Pirates, sishawe Kaizer Chiefs. So we kneel. So it shows you ukuthi even this game was a rectify, coach. It's just first half. It was there to see. Ngiyabonga bafethu.
Sure. Okay.